Hello, and welcome back to another in-depth weather video. Today we're going to be going over some more tropics as well as just going over the models. But if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now let's get right on into it. So, things have kind of quieted down a little bit. So the headliners for today: snow from the northern Rockies to the northern plains, heat and critical fire risks in California. Not much in terms of red flag warnings. Actually, I do not believe there are any currently in the US. We do have frost and freeze advisories and warnings. We also have winter weather advisories as well. But that's about it. The east and the northeast is pretty much empty. Just a few coastal warnings and sea warnings in Florida. That's pretty much it. Now let's move on here to the radar. We do have this little band of snow moving across. There are some heavier rain bands just south of that rain-snow line. It's just like the northern edge of this. It's actually snow. But this will be moving across the U.S., bringing that lighter snow threat. Then when that next round comes in, we'll see some more snow. And we'll see that more on the satellite imagery. So you can see that atmospheric flow moving onto the coast of the Pacific Northwest here. This is going to be kicking off the flow into the northern plains and possibly setting up a larger snow event. But that flow moves through into the northeast, and then you have this pocket of air up here. This basically follows a jet stream, so we can definitely see where that is right now, right in here. Now let's move on to the National Hurricane Center. Still watching MVS 94L, as it still has an 80% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours and 90% chance in 5 days. I definitely think this is going to be forming, and the current storm information will back that up. Let's check that out right now. So, global and hurricane models, we can see kind of staying away from the looping now. There is a little bit of looping at the beginning here, but generally it has it going north to northwest and then moving back to the northeast. Now GFS kind of showing that as well, and we'll use the collective here, GEPS, kind of showing the same thing there. So the models are kind of lining up a little bit better now. Intensity guidance, this is much different than last time we checked. Every single model showing this becoming at least a tropical storm. That makes sense, 80 to 90% chance that this actually does. But we are seeing many more models showing this becoming a Category 1 storm, as well as a few, well, just two, showing it becoming a Category 2 storm. One of them, the ship model, which over the course of this season we've seen that the ship model kind of overshoots a lot of things, showing it becoming a strong Category 2. I don't think that's going to happen. I just think that the waters where it'll be are just going to be too cold at that point. But let's move on here. NAM 3 kilometer model. So we have this flow right in here. We have those storms. That becomes a front right there. Right in here. And then we have some quick bursts of snow, more into Canada. Then we get this system right here, which will bring most of the snow to the northern plains and the Great Lakes. That is from that atmospheric flow. That moves up into Canada, moving over to the NAM 12 kilometer model. You see that moves off. You can see 94L in the distance right there. And then something else sets up here, going to the GFS. Now we're going to go back. Here, something else sets up after this, which could set up even more systems moving across. And the Weather Channel has announced winter storm names. Leave in the comment section below, when do you think the first winter storm is going to form? Because I have a gut feeling it's going to be soon. We are getting many storms that are just going to set up right in here. And a few of these on the GFS definitely seem like blizzard conditions are possible. Right in here, possibly. This could be a winter storm. Then, if this happens, this is definitely a winter storm right here. Whenever you get snow, sleet, freezing rain in the south, it's always going to get named. So, just because of the impact that it has. But we're definitely going to see something here really soon, and it's just a matter of when. But that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.